Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do is just take a couple of minutes and introduce you to a product from IPC Eagle, one of the many brands that we handle. But they've come up with a really good machine for those of you that either are a cleaning contractor or you own your own business, a small daycare, a restaurant, a bar, anything with small square footage that's tight and maneuverable. This is definitely, the CT5, something you want to take a look at. You're probably mopping your floor. Mops and buckets have been around forever and they have their place. However, when you use a mop and a bucket, there's labor involved, which we all know it's harder to get enough help to do the job. And when you start mopping the floor, all you're doing is moving the dirt around. Because every time you go into your mop bucket and you squeegee it out to try to clean it, and then you go back down again, all you're doing is leaving dirty water behind. The micro scrubber category has been around for a while, but they've really come up with, on the CT5, some features that will absolutely improve your productivity, improve your sanitation, and get your floors cleaner and drier than a mop and a bucket. And let me show you how. The CT5, again, is a micro scrubber, we call it. And this machine holds about 1.5 gallons. It has a 15-inch brush, but there's some unique features on this that the other machines don't have. Let me see if I can dry that up for you real quick. You've got a simple power button right here, which then lights up your control panel. And simply by pushing your brush button, it activated the water flow and the vacuum motor, because what we want to do, not only scrub, but we want to pick up that dirty water. As you saw with a mop and a bucket, you're leaving all that dirty water behind. So your floor, your facility is not clean and being sanitized. So once we've done that, and I hit the button, the brush is scrubbing, and as you can see, we're picking up that dirty water and leaving the floor clean and dry and less of a safety hazard. Very maneuverable. As you can see, I can turn left and right. And again, I'm scrubbing, putting down solution, cleaning chemical, and picking up the dirty water, all very quickly and efficiently. The other feature on this that's unique from other machines out there is you have a squeegee in the back of the machine, right here, that pivots from side to side, but they added another squeegee in the front. If I want to get up underneath counters, equipment, with this one handle, I can drop that squeegee down. So now, when I'm going in reverse, I can dry the floor going backwards. Let go, and now I'm drying going forward. So as you see, from an operational standpoint, but a performance and a productivity, it just does a super job. Let me show you a few more things about the machine. You have a folding handle, so I can fold it down and actually carry it. The weight of this is designed to be easily transported. If you're doing different facilities, maybe you have a number of daycares and other small restaurants that you're cleaning at night, you could do the job, put it in your car, go to the next job. If this is going to stay in one facility, very compact, and in fact, it's designed to be stored on end. And now, of course, you can get a better look underneath of the brush, your rear squeegee, and then your front squeegee. But it takes up very, very little space. You have two tanks. The front tank here which is where you put your water and your cleaning chemical. Holds about 1.3 gallons. When you're done, you have a simple lid that comes off. And by pushing these two side levers, one on each side, now I can pick this out. I have a drain hose, and I can take it to the janitor sink, dump it out, and rinse it. So you can see the dirt that we picked up. With the tank off, routine maintenance, there's a filter inside of here and here, so we can keep that clean. And then when you've got it all cleaned up, that just sits right back down. Lock that in place and put your lid back on. Last thing I'll show you is the controls. Again, you have your power switch down here, which is a simple tap. Lights up the control panel. We got a full charge. That's your battery indicator. When I hit the one button, you saw it lit up. So my brushes are going to turn. The solution flow has 3 levels. Again, a unique feature the other small machines don't have. The dirtier the floor is, you sometimes need more solution. But if I don't, I can reduce this back to level 2, or I can go to level 1. So I can adjust the flow depending on the conditions. If I want to scrub a lot, I can turn off the vac motor. So now I'm just scrubbing and putting water down. Touch it and it turns everything back on. So as you can see, very simple layout, very easy touch control. Water flow, I can change how fast it comes out when I'm scrubbing. Once I have it ready, by simply pushing this bar, it turns it on. And look at that, it almost goes by itself. Let go of the handle and everything automatically turns off. And again, to get up underneath low counters and fixtures, I can take this all the way down so I can really get underneath. Once I'm all done, tap the power, and now it's off. The last thing, the charger is built in here, and there's a simple charger and a plug that goes in down here, and that's how you charge it. This machine, you'll get up to about an hour's runtime. So it packs a lot of features, does a great job, and absolutely, folks, get away from the mop and the bucket, because all you're doing is moving dirt around. You need to have a piece of equipment that'll clean, sanitize, and keep your facility cleaner and drier and safer. Take a look at the IPC Eagle CT5. Give us a call, Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945, and thanks for watching.